Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make an affidavit for document verification. An affidavit is a crucial legal document, essentially a sworn statement of facts made voluntarily under oath or affirmation. It serves as vital evidence, providing legal proof that your submitted documents are indeed genuine and accurate. This process is fundamental for ensuring the authenticity and trustworthiness of important records in various official capacities. We will cover the essential steps to create one effectively. Every effective affidavit contains several key components to ensure its legal validity. First, it must clearly identify the affiant, which is the person making the statement, including their full name and contact details. Next, the core of the affidavit is the statement of facts, presented in clear, numbered paragraphs. These facts must be true to the best of the affiant's knowledge. Finally, a solemn oath or affirmation clause, followed by the affiant's signature, completes this critical section. Creating your affidavit involves a few straightforward steps. Begin by drafting the document, meticulously including all necessary factual details and personal information. Ensure the language is clear and precise. Next, gather any supporting documents that corroborate your statements, as these often need to be attached. The most crucial step is signing the affidavit in the physical presence of a notary public or other authorized official. The notary will then attest to your signature, making the document legally binding. Affidavits play a vital role in verifying documents across numerous sectors. They are frequently used in immigration processes, educational applications, and various business transactions to confirm the authenticity of submitted paperwork. By providing a sworn statement, an affidavit adds a significant layer of legal credibility to your documents. This process is essential for preventing fraud and misrepresentation, ensuring that all parties can trust the information presented. It is a powerful tool for establishing truth and accuracy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.